seeing that thing swimming round and round? Yes. Maybe we could reach in and make it drown. If we sneaking up upon it carefully, there will be a head for you, a tail for me. Do you hear what I hear? Oh, a baby cry. Where we finding baby, there are milk nearby. If we look in baby bubbly, there could be plenty milk for you, and also some for me.
What's going on down there? Oh, merciful heavens! My darlings, my precious pets! Oh, that wicked animal! Attacking my poor, innocent little angels.